All right. It is a chilly afternoon, around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 5 centigrade or something. So we'll all right. I plug the batteries in. We've got ignition. I have the tilted fuel tank to get the nipple moved to the side so there isn't a kink in the fuel line down below. And we will I also have the carburetor set on full choke with that small opening on the end being the only air input. So let's see if... Oh, I need to get the fuel to run up through the... There we go. There. And we'll flip that starting lever in. So the moved fuel tank, the very carefully adjusted new point surgery that I did, so we've got ignition right before top dead center, and a very soft governor spring, but since I've got that lever set in the way, we can get this to start and see. Should have gotten a cough from it by now. Okay, there we go. have to put a better latch on this lid so it will stay shut. Because right now it doesn't want to stay shut. But let's see how long it runs while we warm up here.